Pak! Pak! Papak! Hi mga Beks! It's me, Fedellaga, and welcome back to my channel. Hi mga Beks! Welcome back sa ating channel! And for today's video, wow! Energy na very smooth lang. Ganyan. Alam niyo kung anong oras na dito? Umi-energy ako ng ganito. 6:01 a.m. Ayan ho, 6:01 a.m. Ang ingay ko, umagang-umaga. Pero wala pa naman si amang araw. Hindi pa siya nagpapakita. Anyways, mga Beks, in this video, we are going to do a review. Wow! Wow, ang ganda ng background din. Bet yung background natin ngayon. Wow. Very, very summer vibes. Tapos nakaganto ka pa. Boxing. In this video, mga Beks, we are going to do a review with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Honestly, this is my first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And of course, syempre, bago natin gamitin to, kailangan kasama ko kayo. Kaya naman, in this video, we are going to do a test, try-on, review for this palette. And I just can't wait for you guys to know kung ano ang meron dito and how I applied it and kung saan ako nag-struggles, things like that. I want you guys to know that. That's why we are going to do this video. And syempre, I'm gonna spill all the tea pagdating dito sa palette na to. Tama na mga chika-chika, let's go ahead at mag-pegay na tayo. So, I already did my base, which is my foundation, my kilay, and ginawa na natin lahat yan so I could make things easier. But if you guys want to see me, you guys could follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. Yes, we do have a Facebook page now, so you guys could go ahead and follow me. It's only Fedellaga, wala nang iba pa. And sometimes, if you are watching my videos, I do always repost it on my story kapag tinatag nyo ako. That's why maraming salamat. We are going to do a try-on now with our Anastasia's Beverly Hills the Riviera palette. So this palette, napakaingay nitong palette nito. I've been hearing a lot of things about this palette. People are actually raving about this palette. They were saying that this is really good. But as I saw these colors right here, I feel like I've seen these colors already, which is I have it on my James Charles palette. I'm kind of not sure if they have the same pigmentations and performance when it comes sa mga kulay nila. But as I can see here, most of the colors here I already have them. Like especially the pink one, I have that on my Blood Sugar palette and on my James Charles palette. But some of them naman wala rin ako kulay nila. Just for your information. So as I was walking at Sephora, I went to ABH, yung stall nila. I asked yung mga nag-assist doon, and I asked her like, where is this Riviera palette from Anastasia's Beverly Hills? And she was like, oh, you have to go to the counter. If you want to see the swatches, you have to go to the counter as well. Which is, I was a little bit of like, okay, since when did you guys do that? But I did not ask because I don't want to be rude. Maybe there's a reason why, but I'm just like, why? Why do I have to go to the counter and ask for this palette? And if I have to swatch it, I really have to do the counter. I'm like, really? Nagtitipid, Anastasia? Yun lang naman. Medyo na-imbay lang ako. So, let us now talk about this new palette by Anastasia's Beverly Hills, which is the Riviera. So this palette is retail for $45. Yes, this is for $45. I know, it is kind of expensive. Kaya nga kailangan malaman natin if it's worth our pocket. If it's worth our pocket, worth our money, worth. Let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is kind of like giving me a navy blue-ish, or alam niyo yung sa mga navy, mga sailor, yeah, it's kind of like giving me like that. Or Popeye the Sailor Man. So let us now open this palette. So nilabas ko siya, baliktad yung lumabas sa kanya. So this is now the palette. It is giving me a very denim as well. Yung feel niya is tela and it's kind of like denim. Though, ang isa sa mga kinakatakutan ko dito is baka madumihan ko hanggang kailan siya magtatagal na malinis. That is the front of it and this is the back. And kapag binuksan nyo siya, yan yung itsura niya. So, meron siyang mirror. Hindi siya yung naka-tape. Bakit yung iba naka-tape? Oh, okay. Ito yung film niya. So, let's talk about the shades. So, this one has 14 shades. The ones in the bottom are the matte ones. And the ones at the top are the shimmers. And yung pinaka nasa dulo niya is a white matte. This is what I actually like about Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow. Give you a free brush. And this is yung itsura ng brush nila. We're gonna try that later. So, meron nga siyang 6 shimmers and meron naman siyang 8 mattes. Now, ang pinagkakausapan ng mga tao dito is the pink, this Bahamas, which is yung neon pink nila. Yung purple nila. And then, yung pinaka Seychelles. Oh, I don't really swatch at all, but hello, let's just swatch this for you guys. So I'm gonna swatch this Bahamas, and then I'm gonna swatch this Canis, and then this Seychelles. As you guys can see, ito yung iniswatch natin na kasama ang aking watch. Iniswatch. Charot. Ayan na, nahawakan ko na siya. So, I feel like hindi magtatagal yung pagiging malinis niya sa aking mga kamay. So, I kinda like wanna try and swatch this Cabana. Cabana unana. Bakla pala siya, Cabana unana. Okay, so the reason I swatched this is ito yung parang nangangamba ako na kulay na parang hindi siya effect for me. But I think you could do that like yung mga pang matte and very light look. Okay, I kind of like want this Inheritance. Ooh, she nice. And then let's go with this Mediterranean. Oh, ay parang hindi naman. Ito pa nga. Yung mga ni-swatch ko, yun yung mga naku-curious akong colors. Kung gaano sila ka-pigmented and everything. So, tingnan natin kung nakaka-Beks. Wow! So, meron ditong warning sa package niya pala. Just to let you guys know that warning, Bahamas, Pam, and Canis are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Precautions. So, ito yung precautions niya. Pag binuksan nyo to, may makikita kayong parang mini paper. So, yung sinabi nilang pressed pigments is yung Pam, Bahamas, and then yung Canis. Canis or Canes? Canis. Ano ba to? When you guys are buying makeups, make sure you guys are going to read the precautions para hindi kayo nagugulat sa mga nangyayari. So, now, let's make a look. I'm gonna go get this Canes. So, medyo may fallouts na siya agad, diba? Kasi nga pressed pigment to, so just keep on tapping. Then, I'm gonna put this on my crease and sa outer corner, and I'm gonna work it on papunta sa aking inner corner. Hindi maganda yung brush nila, mga Beks. Since alam naman nila na pressed pigment to, sana gumawa sila ng brush na maliit pa dito para maibongga mo yung pagiging pressed pigment niya. Because you can't work with pressed pigments hanggat hindi maganda yung brush mo. Okay? Oh, I'm gonna use the other part. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this brush because it's really giving me a hard time. Kapag ganito yung brush mo, I'm using this M431 na brush. And kapag ito yung brush mo, it's really gonna help you do that pressing motion. Pressing motion ba yun? So, nakababalik na ako dun sa brush niya and titingnan ko kung kaya niyang i-blend. Now, I'm gonna go back with this Canis, basta. So, when it comes sa waterline nyo, be very careful kasi nga, di ba, yung warning niya. So, now I'm gonna go with this Monte Carlo. Fallout siya. So, now I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. Ilalagay ko yan at the top of the purple that we put on our crease. Just to add a dimension. Then, ilalagay ko rin yan sa aking lower lash line. So, now I'm gonna go with this Soft Ochre Prolonger Paint Pot by MAC. And then, we're gonna cut our crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with these Seychelles. Nilalagay natin yun sa ating lid. Fairness. Iba tong color na to. And then I'm gonna go back with the purple that I put. Ayusin lang natin siya. Now I'm gonna use it with my finger. Na curious lang ako kung maging super pigmented siya lalo. Oh, pag lumabas ako nito. Pag tinawag nila akong sir, ewan ko na lang. Okay, so now nauuso yung mga parang, alam niyo yung mga neon inner corner. So try natin, okay? So I'm gonna go with this Bahamas. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. Yung pink, it's very easy to blend. And it's very pigmented. Then i-blend natin yung edges. Woo! Pink inner corner! How is she? The only thing that I don't like about this palette, meron na agad chika, is wala siyang highlight na parang white na pang highlight. I'm gonna go with this Sails. And I'm gonna put that on my brow. Ay! Iba yung pigment ni Bakla. So I kinda like want to add this Mediterranean. Ayan, kaya na to. So, I'm just going to finish my look and I will be telling you my final thoughts, okay? Ayan mga Beks, ayan, kere ba? Ayan, medyo summery. Ayan, ito ang mga vibes na gusto ko ngayon for this look. Medyo parang Rihanna, na mermaid, na basta. I kind of like want to create like a very kind of like bougie since summer is coming. So this would actually give you like a pop-out eye makeup and mapapalingon sila sa inyo lahat. Hello. Kasi nga galing niya kay John Fedellagang tutorial. So final thoughts for the Riviera. Okay, so first of all, ang hirap niyang i-pronounce. Ayan, wala na naman ako sa hulog. Pasensyahan nyo ang inyong Mamshi Beks. When it comes to pigment, it is really good. The pigments is there. As you guys can see, especially sa kanyang shimmer. The blue and this a little bit of dark-ish blue na hindi ko maintindihan yung kulay. It is a really good pigment. Reason I did a purple and this pink, kind of like put them together because I really want to experience kung ano yung pigmentations niya. But as you guys can see kanina, it is a very pressed pigment, so you really have to work it out. And syempre, isa sa mga technique for that is you just have to put your brush and then tap it sa iyong mata para talagang sa iyong mata. Anong sinasabi ko? And tap it kung saan mo gusto ilagay and lalabas yung kulay na gusto mo. So just tap, tap, tap and then mamaya blend. Yun lang ang pinaka-advice ko for this shadow palette. So we are going to do a swatch. Wow! Versus doon sa ating mga pink palettes, okay? So this is the Anastasia. Now for blood sugar, I'm gonna go with this Cavity. Now for the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go with this pink na nasa kanya palette. May similarities sa ABH ng Riviera sa James Charles palette. But as you guys can see sa ating blood sugar, kakaiba yung pagiging pink niya. Touch ko siya ulit, parang hindi siya gumamit. So medyo parang darky na pink sa ating Anastasia's Beverly Hills. Siya yung pinaka naniningkad sa kanilang tatlong pink. 'Di ba? Parang yung James Charles, hindi siya ganun ka-pigment as this na kapag isang swipe mo lang. Pero feeling ko ang medyo close sa kulay niya is James Charles palette. So I don't know. Let me know on the comment section if kung ano sa tingin nyo ang malapit sa kanilang tatlo na magkakulay. So now let's go naman sa purple, which is the Canes. Balikan natin. So now let's go ahead with James Charles palette. Purple. Mas dark nga yung James Charles palette na purple niya. As you guys can see, iba yung pagiging purple nito kaysa dito sa kanya. I'm actually surprised. I really thought parehas sila. I was so curious and thinking about not buying this because I'm like, I already have my James Charles palette and I've been seeing this sa mga videos that ABH have been doing for the look, but I wasn't really like, into it. But now that I got the palette, I think I love the palette. The only thing na kaparehas niya is, yun nga, yung James Charles palette pagdating sa pink, but not as vibrant, I guess, and pigmented as the James Charles palette. Okay, so pagdating naman sa fallouts, may fallouts ba ang ABH Riviera? Yes, meron siyang fallout. You just really have to be careful sa mga look nyo. Kung mag-i-stain siya, hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi pa naman ako nabura ng makeup. Andiyan ka! So, mga Beks, kasalukuyang naglilinis ako ng brush. Nagtanggal na ako ng aking makeup at ito ang kinalabasan niya. Ito ang itsura ng ating pengkay. So, itong color pink na to, nag-i-stain talaga siya. I-stain. Kaya naman kung hindi mo bet ng mga ganitong klaseng eyeshadow, hindi to para sa'yo. Kaya, balik ka na dun sa glam ko. But staining is not really a problem with me. Sa akin yon, okay? Pero kung sa inyo, stain is a problem, this actually stains. Kaya this palette might be not for you. Overall, nagustuhan ko ba? Yes, nagustuhan ko. It's just that, nag-judge lang ako agad. Akala ko meron ng klaseng ganito ang ABH and James Charles and Blood Sugar. But I was impressed nung talagang nakita nyo naman, pinagsama-sama natin yung color. Because sometimes we have to be really smart on buying makeups kasi minsan hindi natin alam baka meron na tayong klaseng ganong pigment. Alright? Pero syempre, kailangan din you watch out for the performance. Like ABH, maganda yung performance niya. I love it. Overall, I love everything about this palette. I am kind of excited to use and to do any kinds of look. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do or recreate another look or do another look for Riviera. Kasi syempre, I don't want this to be like isang beses lang natin gagamitin. Maraming bagong klaseng shades sa palette na to and it's giving me like a mermaidy. And pwede kayong gumawa ng mga pang, alam niyo yun, yung parang umiisda, ganon. Anyways, mga Beks, I hope you guys like this video. Sana nabigyan ko kayo ng konting details when it comes sa Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Sana nagustuhan nyo rin ang look na to. Ano ka ba? Ano ka ba? Wala to. Wala to. Wala to. And sana nabigyan ko rin kayo ng mga tips pagdating sa paggamit ng palette na to. If ever you guys are going to buy, I know it is very expensive, but for me, worth it. There you go, mga Beks. Syempre, bagong lahat, makakalimutan ko ba ang comment of the day. Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Comment of the day! Hey! Hey! Comment of the day! At eto na sila!
You're too slow!
Thank you so much sa lahat ng nanood sa video na to. I do really appreciate it. Sa mga bago dyan, hello! Welcome sa ating pamilyang kabaklaan. Siyempre, always stay tuned sa akin dahil this year I have a lot of things that is lined up. This year talaga, you know. I have a lot of things that is lined up that I know that you guys are going to like. Mga reviews and products na I know you guys are so intrigued kung ano ang meron sa mga products na to. And yes, pati ako, I cannot wait for you guys to see this. Pero syempre, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Para naman sa mga Beks natin dyan na laging gustong updated. Wow! Updated? Updated? Hit the notification bell button right there. Para sa tuwing upload ko, you guys are always updated. And once again, thank you so much and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye!